Hi, my name is Jesus Alvarado and I'm from Doremi Cinema. Welcome to our training video. Today I'm going to go over how to swap out a Doremi Digital Cinema server. This procedure will cover how to upgrade the server software to allow for all your server settings to be backed up and copied to the server's hard drives. Before you begin the swap out procedure, you'll need to obtain the 2.0 software update from our FTP site. You're also going to need to get new KDMs from your distributor that coincide with your new server serial number. So let's begin. Following are the requirements for the Doremi server swap procedure. Software 2.0.0 or higher, which is downloadable from the Doremi FTP site. Contact your local technical support for FTP login information. USB thumb drive, screwdriver to remove and replace server from rack. Obtain new KDMs from your distributor that match the serial number of your new server. After you have downloaded and obtained the 2.0.0 or higher software update and placed it onto a thumb drive, you'll need to insert the thumb drive into one of the USB ports on the existing Doremi server. Once the ingest window appears, select the 2.0.0 or higher software package and select the ingest button. You will be prompted for a password. See your system administrator for the correct password. Key in the password and select the OK button. Once the server has confirmed the ingest was successful, reboot the server by going to Menu, Logout, Reboot. Then you'll need to run the backup script via the terminal window. To do this, click on Menu, System, Terminal. Log in as root user by typing SU followed by Enter. You'll be prompted for the root password. Again, see your system administrator for this password. Next, you'll need to type in the backup command, which is sh space /doremi /sbin /migrate.sh space backup. This will back up all the required system settings to the server's RAID. Some of these settings include macros, server IP addressing, and device manager settings. At this point, you'll need to shut down the server by going to Menu, Logout, Shutdown. Now, you'll need to remove the hard drives located behind the front panel hard drive door of your existing server. Set these hard drives aside, as later you'll be reinstalling them into the new replacement server. Make sure you secure the front panel hard drive door by locking it. At this point, you'll need to disconnect and remove all cables from the back of the server. When all cables have been disconnected, you can safely remove the server from the rack. Now, you need to unpack the new server from its packaging. Start by carefully using a box cutter knife to cut the seal of the shipping tape located on the top of the shipping box. If there is an enclosed return shipping label, you'll need to set it aside to later affix to the return shipment. Remove and save all packaging materials. You will need these later when you repack the old server to return back to your Doremi office. Now it is time to install the new server into the rack. Depending on your specific installation, you may need another person to assist you with holding the server while you secure the server into the rack using the existing rack screws and a screwdriver. Before you reconnect your cables, install the hard drives that you removed from the old server and install them into a new server. The hard drives do not need to be installed in any particular order. Verify that all hard drives have been installed securely. You can now reconnect all your server cables into the back of the server. It is very important that you connect the power cables last. When all the server cables have been reconnected, you can now power up the server by pressing the main power button located behind the front panel hard drive door. When the server is completely booted up, you'll need to run the restore script via the terminal window. To do this, click on Menu, System, Terminal. Log in as root user by typing SU followed by Enter. You'll be prompted for the root password. Type the password in. Next, you'll need to type in the restore command, which is sh space /doremi /sbin migrate.sh space restore-no ID. Now reboot the server by going to Menu, Logout, Reboot. When the server has completely rebooted, you'll need to ingest the new KDMs that you obtained from your distributors. Now you need to test your system's playback to verify that your procedure was a success. After you have completed the swap procedure and tested your system's playback settings are all correct, you'll need to box up the old server with all the packaging that the new server arrived with. When the server has been properly boxed up, you need to place tape on the box to seal it. If you had been given a prepaid return label, you'll need to affix the label to the outside of the server box and then call your local shipping company to schedule a prompt pickup for return of the server back to Doremi. That concludes our demonstration. Should you need any additional assistance, please contact our local technical support team. Thank you for watching.